Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code. So today in this video I will teach you that how you can create your own AI art generator website just like DALL-E. And of course everything will be free of cost. We will not using any kind of paid APIs and all. We will use two image stylization model which has been provided by Google. The link are in the description. Go and check it out. As you know, we have already started the series, so part 1 is already present in the YouTube, link in the description. Go and check it out. In that part I have covered a whole HTML portion. If you didn't check out, go and check it out because that is very important thing. Now a special announcement: if you are a subscriber of my channel, then soon you will get access to a special group where you can learn about AI. Like using that group you can become an AI expert, you can become AI developer, AI user expert, and many more according to your niches, because that group contains all AI bundles, AI toolkits, and many more to build a career in AI field. To subscribe to my channel, because soon I will not in this video but in other videos I will declare the dates that how can you get access to my community or group, whatever you say. So let's get started. So first I'll create one file in the name of style.css. I'll save it DALL-E style.css. Currently it is having nothing, only the bulk images and the inputs, like you can choose file and all these things. Okay, so let's get started without styling portion. I'm just maximizing my screen view so that everything is in properly. Fine. So I'll open HTML tag over here and height equals to 100%. Sorry. Fine. Now come out of it and then go for body tag. And again background color. You can choose your own color according to your choices, but I will choose my favorite color. Not favorite, like I am using this in project. Okay, fine. Saved. Then I'll choose width 100%. Then again height 100%. Sorry, it's became minimum height. Just make it height just normally. Fine. Saved. Next. Then we'll go for margin of 0. Okay, next 9. Font family. I'm using font family of Arial. You can use for according to your choices. No judgment. Okay, font family. Then display, make it the display flex. Fine. So now align items, make the align items center. Then justify content, make it center. Fine. Okay. Come to next line. Then minimum width, set the minimum width up to 600 pixels will be a fine amount. Then you can just increase it or decrease it according to your wishes. Then go for style. Look, if you didn't change any kind of IDs and all that I've used in HTML tags, HTML portion, so you can use this. So I will tell you that don't change, right? Because it will be very easy for you also to create the project. Like the tags that I'm using will be familiar to you also. Box sizing, make it border box, then come back. Then again make it width as 100%. Fine. Then again next line. Then go for height 100%. Fine. Next line. Then max height. Let's make it 100%. Fine. Then sorry. Padding will be 20 pixel. Then display grid. Fine. Then make it grid template columns. Then 1 FR. Then make it auto 1 FR. Then again make it auto 1 FR. Fine. Come down. Then make a gap over there of 30 pixels. Will a fine gap. Then make it align items center. Fine. Okay, next line. Then closing the stacks, I'll open one H1 over here. So H1 will make, I'll choose the color over here of let's make it EE, a white color. Not so white color, close to it. Okay. Font size 100 pixels will be a fine thing. Okay, fine. Then just come out of the H1 tag. Then again open one tag, name IMG. Give a comma. Then again come down. Then canvas, curly brackets open. Then make it width of 100%. Then again come down. Height of 100%. Fine. Come down. Position, make the position absolute. Again come down. Then border radius, make it as 10 pixels. Fine. Then dot WR, curly bracket. Fine. Then make a width of 100%. Fine. Okay. Come to next. Make a height of 100%. Fine. Come down. Sorry. Height. Then make a border radius of 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Fine. Then make position. Okay. Make the position absolute. Okay. Fine. Now come down. Then again do one more thing. Wrapper. Change this absolute to relative. Okay. Fine. Wrapper. Then say SVG. Fine. Okay. Then position relative. Not relative. Make it absolute. Sorry. Maybe. Fine. Come down. Then we'll have a top. Top of 30%. Fine. Then again left. Left will be about 30%. Again come down. Then again right will be about 30%. 30%. Again come down. Bottom. Bottom will be 30%. Okay. Then width will be 40%. Then again height will be also 40%. Fine. Opacity will be 0. Then transition will make about 0.03 seconds. Yes. Currently all those things are made in AI. Okay, now AI is currently taking all the markets. Like it can take your job also. Yeah, from that I remind one more thing, that you can get an over to squirrel.co. As squirrel.co is an on-demand skill learning platform where you will get ACO tool learning, then WordPress plugins, then social media marketing strategies. Everything you'll get over here. Go and take it, because look, AI can replace your jobs, but not in this field, because if humans are smart enough. So go and take it, and you can also, using the skills, you can build your own business also. So it's my personal choice that go to squirrel.co and avail the course. And if you're using my link, you will get $15 free credits in your account, and go and check it out. And if you are an affiliate marketer also, I will recommend you go and check the social media marketing, because here you'll get to know all the strategies how to sell your products to your customers, and they will become your forever clients. And now, for example, you have taken the courses and everything is finished, but now you're struggling for making videos. Then Pictory.ai will be your best solution, as Pictory.ai provides you an AI editor. Like you have to paste your article or your script, and video will be ready in your hands. And it will also give you one customizable editor where you can customize your video fully. So go and check it out, link in the description. And if you're using my link, you will get a huge discount while taking its premium, and I will prefer you go and take its premium, because premium gives you everything that you need, and you can also enjoy its free trial also. Go and check it out. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into our code. Now body dot loading dot wrapper pg. Fine. Let's make an opacity of around 1. Okay, fine. It will be a fine amount. Then head over to next line. Then put a dot wrapper dot material underscore icons. Fine. Okay. Now position will be our absolute comes to next line. Then make a width of 55 pixel. Then make a height of around 55 pixel. You can increase or decrease it according to you. Display flex. Look, I have actually completed this project from soon, so I have just remember what the things that I have used. So if you're willing to change few things in the designing portion, you are free. You can go and change it according to your niche. I have no judgment. You can do it. Justify content, make a center. Fine. Now align items, make center. Fine. Then again choose the color. Actually these as I'm using a background of yellow, not yellow but very similar to yellow, I'll suggest you use this color. Okay, 424 242. I guess it's the color. 42424. Okay, this color will be fine. Okay, leave. You can choose according to you if you don't like this. Font size, let's choose a font size of 40 pixels. It will be fine. Then box shadow. Then box shadow will be 0. Then choose of 10 pixels. Then 20 pixels. Then RGB A. Then let's make it 0 0 0. Then change the alpha to 0.19. Fine. Now just put a comma over here, then 0, comma, not comma, space 6 pixels, space 6 pixels. Fine. Then again choose RGBA. I'll just do this and just change the 19 to 23. Fine. Okay, come to the next line. Then choose a background of around close like EE. Then come down. Then choose border radius of it. Border radius 10 pixel. Fine. Come down. Choose a cursor. And if you didn't check out my website, you'll get all the 30 cursor properties. Go and check it out, link in the description. Cursor pointer, then overflow, make the overflow hidden. Fine. Let me show you that where the cursor properties are. Go to my website, CodeDroid, netlify.app. Then just scroll down. Here you'll get all 30 pointer property in HTML. You'll get all this thing or link in the description. And of course, the good news, my whole site has become all free, like all free in the sense like it was facing some trouble in reloading. So now it has been in a light speed. So you can go and check it out, everything. So now to the next line. Again, style. So what else? Style picker, curly brackets. Fine. So the height of around 10 pixels. Fine. Then choose the width, WDH, width of 100%. Fine. Come down. Display flex. Okay, fine. Come down. Then again, flex direction. Choose the flex direction. Let's make it column. Again, justify content will be our center. Then align items will be also center. Fine. Come down. Few more lines are still left, so don't worry. Chill. Take a chill spell. Style. PICK. Picker. Currently we're working on a very huge project, so as soon as I get completed, I'll let you know. And I started working on concise also. As soon as we get the funds, then our business will also start launched. and we're also starting with our dropshipping store, so please show some support over there also. And make a border of solid, make a solid color of hashtag 5. This what in the color code 33014. Fine. This is the color code, I guess. Came 3 pixel. Then border radius of 10 pixel, a fine amount. Then again color, to the color of hashtag same. Okay, so choose same color. Come down, background color will be transparent. Fine. Come down. Then margin top will be 20 pixels, and transition will be our opacity of around 0.2 is fine. Come down, save it, come down. Then make a style picker button $disable. Like if the styling is already has chosen, like but let me show you practically. Then still now it has been disabled, right? I can click once again, a new art has came. Now it's okay. Now again I can click it. So at that time it was disabled. So for that time the CSS will look like this, for example. Right? Opacity 0.4. Fine. Sorry, 0.4. Save it. Then hashtag input display. Make the display 0.4. None. Sorry. None. Save it. Then svj rate. Then curly brackets. Start fill hash if 6700. Find the color as game. Now choose media. Then max width. Okay, no problem. This is a system question. No problem. Max width of 900 pixels. Actually, my Visual Studio Code is outdated. Not outdated, like I didn't just install the extension, so later on I'll do it. But don't worry, the code will work finally. Style, picker, button, padding 10 pixel. Fine. Then to the font size of around 15 pixel. Fine. Okay, till now everything is fine. Now we are lifting a few more lines. Then scroll down to the media and then call wrapper. Then the material icons. Then okay, curly brackets. Make a font size of around 30 pixels. Fine. Then come down. Then have a width of 40 pixels. Fine. Then have a height of again 40 pixels. Fine. Got it. And inside the media option, paste it. Fine. So now let's get back to index.html and check the result, that how it has came currently. So now everything is still actually I forgot to link the file or what? Oh sorry, I just forgot to link the file only. I'm sorry. After linking I'm just gonna bring it. Reload. Okay, everything has came according to our thing. Now we will add our JavaScript over here and everything will be fine. Like in the next video you will see that we are adding our image stylization model, and we'll add few more changes to our CSS also. All the changes I'll just mention in that video. And in the next part you'll see the JavaScript whole portion, like we'll call the image from the server in this portion, and then again we will have a local system image, then we'll combine that and the result will come, and that result will come using an image stylization model, not two image stylization model, which is provided by Google. So in the next part you'll see that. So and this journey was very very fine. Like it's needed a high research also, that how can create and all those things. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also I just came into short format of the content also, so you can get and check it out. So we'll see all the short videos is also coming from my side from Codroid. I hope you have enjoyed this video.